For the benefit of the viewer, this clip was taken in shallow sludge at the end of a project to show the manoeuvrability of the hydro dredger. On a project, the dredger is normally fully submerged. Before lifting into the pond, the hydro dredger must be connected to its pipework. The suction leg of the dredger is designed to ensure sludge is drawn from the base of the pond. It is literally only 3 inches from the surface. A mast with a pointer indicate the direction of travel and allow the operator to locate the dredger. The dredger pumps sludge from the pond over the sidewall and into a stock tank situated outside. Here it is kept agitated until the tanker arrives to remove it.